Hi kids! I'm Teacher Jelaine, and I'm here to discuss parts of a leaf. Parts of a leaf. We have axil, lamina, leaf apex, midrib, petiole, stem, stipule, and vein. So the first one is axil. Axil is the angle where the leaf joins the stem. Example, the small bud growing at the joints of the stem and leaf in hibiscus plant. So, the second one is lamina. Lamina is left blade, the flat and broad part that collects sunlight for photosynthesis. Example, the white-green surface of a mango leaf. Leaf apex. The leaf apex, the tip or end of the leaf. So, example, the pointed end of a guava or banana leaf. Midrib, the main central vein that supports the leaf and carries water and nutrients. So example, the thick line you see running through the center of a leaf. Petiole, the petiole, the stalk that attacks the leaf blade to the system. Example, the short stalk of a rose leaf. Stem, the main support that holds the leaves and transports nutrients. Stipule, small leaf-like parts at the base of the petiole. Example, see in pea plants. Vein, tubes that carry water, food, and nutrients throughout the leaf. Example, the network pattern seen when holding a leaf against the light. The next part is characteristic of a leaf. Characteristic of a leaf, we have arrangement. So, arrangement, simple leaf, one blade on one petiole. Example, mango and guava. The second one is compound leaf. Multiple blades called leaflets on one petiole. Example, acacia, rose, or neem. Palmately compound. Leaflets spread out like fingers on a hand. Example, cassava. Pinnately compound. Leaflets arranged on both sides of a central axis. So, trifoliate. 3 leaflets. Leaf attachment have petiolate with a petiole and guava leaf. Style without a petiole attached directly to the stem. Leaf arrangement on stem. Opposite, 2 leaves per node, like calamansi. Alternate 1 leaf per node, like sunflower. Horled, several leaves from same node, which is Alstonia. The fourth one, leaf shapes, linear, long and narrow grass, elliptic, oval shape, like banana, ovate, egg shape, like guava, cordate, heart shape, like hawthorn. Margins or edges, entire, smooth edges, like banana leaf. Serrate, fine teeth, like edges. Example, rose leaf. Lobe, deeply cut edges. Example, maple leaf. Leaf veneration, vein pattern. Parallel, veins run side by side. Reticulate, net-veined, veins from a network. Pinnate, one main midrib with smaller veins like mango. Palmate, several veins spread from one point. Number 7, leaf surface. Some leaves have hairs, glands, or smooth surfaces that help identify plant types. Example, the rough, hairy leaves of tomato versus smooth banana leaves.